Today, let's talk about the four most common crafts: digital direct printing, embroidery, heat transfer, and Jacquard, and see what tricks they each have. Digital direct print socks use inkjet technology to print high-definition patterns directly onto fabric, suitable for materials such as cotton, polyester, nylon, wool, and bamboo fiber. They support complex gradients and small batch customization. Advantages include no plate production, low minimum order quantities, environmental friendliness, and washability. Suitable for trendy IPs, corporate customization, and orders requiring personalized and fast production. Embroidered socks offer a strong three-dimensional effect, are durable and washable, and are suitable for brand logos and high-end styles. The seams are breathable and can be combined with special materials such as reflective yarn. They are suitable for both dark and light fabrics, but the cost is high, and the embroidery area should be limited to avoid compromising comfort. Sublimation socks are printed socks that use high-temperature heat transfer technology. Solid dyes are sublimated into gas at a temperature of around 200 degrees Celsius, penetrating into the fibers of chemical fibers such as polyester, achieving the integration of the pattern and fabric. Jacquard socks are knitted in one piece, creating patterns such as stripes and geometric designs directly through the interweaving of colored yarns. They are breathable, durable, and retain their shape. Their strengths lie in their classic texture and long-lasting durability, but the patterned socks are limited in detail, making them suitable for minimalist designs like business socks and preppy styles. Digital direct printing is flexible, embroidery is high-end, thermal transfer is bright, and Jacquard is classic. You can choose the printing process according to your needs.